Hi, welcome back to my channel MBA Unplugged. I am Nawaz. I work as assistant professor in MBA department for a private engineering college. And through my videos, I discuss about marketing and HR concepts. And today in my video, we will discuss about the term customer relationship management. Customer relationship management is a practice followed by organization to develop a good relationship between the customers and organizations to increase the sales and by which increase the growth of the organization. So let us we look at some of the CRM practices that the organizations generally follow. And they are: thank you mail, ask for reviews, customer service centers, and mobile services, etc., are some of the few examples that the organizations follow as a part of CRM. Look at one by one. Thank you mail. Thank you mail is an acknowledgement given by the organization to the customers for their purchases from the organizations. So this kind of mails helps the organizations to build in a good relationship with the customers. And secondly, ask for reviews. Ask for reviews is a kind of feedback that organization look out from the customers, and through that reviews we are able to find out the performance of the products and services that we are rendering to the customers. And these reviews helps in to build a good product and services, and by which we can maintain a good relationship with the customers. And thirdly, customer service centers. So the customer service center helps the customers to solve their problems, and by which they can be happy, so that we are helping out to resolve the problems regarding to the product and services that we are rendering. Mobile services. The mobile services is a kind of service we generally associate with the automobile industry. If suppose a motor vehicle is in problem, example starting problem or any other problem, then if we call for a mobile service centers, the organizations can arrange and come to the place where we were stranded and render the service for us, and by which the customers feel happy and be telling those to the others who are with them. And through these activities we can have a good results, and the results are repeat business, cost effective, helps branding, establishment of new connections, reduce rejections, like lifetime value of customers. And we shall look it one by one. First one, repeat a business. So through customer relationship management practices we can have a repeat business from the customers. The customers tend to come again and again for our products and services, and by which our revenue can be increased. And secondly, cost effective. And with the term cost effective we are discussing about the advertising cost. The advertising cost through the CRM can be reduced for a very little amount. And thirdly, helps branding. So a good relation with the customers will enable our organization to have a good brand value in the market. And nextly, establishment of new connection. The customer who is satisfied with our services and products that we are giving, he will notify our organizations to the people whom they know, their nears and dears, and through which we can have some new connections also and new businesses. And nextly, reduce market rejection. So so if we provide good product and services and quality service to the customers, then if the happier percentage of customers is higher, then there would be less rejection in the market. And finally, lifetime value of customer. So if a customer regularly coming into the organization and does business with us, then the life value that a customer gives to organization would be much higher. So these are some customer relationship management and results from the customer relationship management. Hope this video gives you a good information about the CRM. If you like this video, give a like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.